Hey there, just wanted to share a quick video here to show a quick solution I came up with for my kayak transportation in my Ram 1500 here. I had previously just been resting the kayak against the tailgate, and then when I dropped the tailgate down, the kayak would sort of come down, which is fine, but makes it so you can't really use the storage space underneath the kayak very easily. So looking around on YouTube, I found a couple of videos here that showed a couple different types of easy things, but I found this to be the one I wanted to try. This is just basically a C-clamp right here, just securing a 2x4. A couple of $10 C-clamps from Ace Hardware and a $6 2x4 that I cut to size here, and that goes across, and I got another support bracket underneath here, and this looks pretty sturdy to me. So now when I put my truck bed up, my tailgate up, you know, I've got no issues with opening it up and closing. And I've got storage, plenty of storage to put coolers and fishing gear and all sorts of stuff in there. So quick fix, quick, easy, cheap fix, 26 bucks in for this. So there you go.